Hey folks, you know I had to stop my live stream about Matt Ryan, but I want to give a shout out to Priority Plumbing and Ray and Chandler here. You guys come together because they saved my mom, and you all know how much I love my mom and that I'm down here for. If you need help, you call Priority Plumbing. Ray here, Chandler, and they are great. They represent the best in Atlanta plumbing. They serve the region. They even have opinions on Matt Ryan. What do you guys think about Matt Ryan's contract?
Overrated.
Overrated. Spoken like true Falcons fans. At any rate, hey, so tell them how to get a hold of you, Ray.
His call is 770-866-126-1206.
Yeah.
24/7.
24/7. And that's how you do it. Chandler, you want to add anything?
Just give us a call.
Yeah, give them a call, please. I encourage you to give them a call because I don't want to. I mean, earlier today, I had a fellow come by. He was rude to my mom. You know, my mom is 83. These guys are mannerable. They're great, nice people. Plus, they know what the heck that they're doing because they took a job this guy couldn't even do, right? Look at how beautiful that is right there. Look at that, okay? Now, of course, we need plumbing. We need, to replace these pipes throughout the house, but we're getting there. I mean, we've been doing it in a piecemeal fashion, right? At some point, we're going to have to do it wholesale. That's kind of an inside joke. But at any rate, these guys, like Arnold Schwarzenegger, they'll be back. Hey, thanks. Appreciate it.
No problem.